छोटी जल्दी रख. गाडीचे हंगाचे थिंक करून कुछ बस आता मी. हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू अ न्यू व्लॉग. बहुत टाइम हो गया लास्ट शूट करके. ओके तो वी आर गोइंग टू गोवा द होल फैमिली. पापा बाहर गए फोन में बात कर रहे हैं बिकॉज आगे नेटवर्क जाएगा. तो दैट इज बैक इन. वी लेफ्ट. इट इज 12:30. वी आर 5-10 kilometers post Jambuti and then we should take around 2 more hours to reach and then we'll decide where to stay. The roads are pretty good here. So it's been a while since I've gone to Goa from this side because normally we go to Londa and then udhar se we take the Anmol route. वो भी अच्छा ही है. Major part of it. Only until you enter the Goa border थोड़ा सा खराब है कर्नाटका साइड. So the reason for this trip is nothing in particular. बहुत टाइम से we were planning to go somewhere. तो वो somewhere is finally come down to Goa. So that is the plan. It's just good food, a good place to stay and leisure. There's no activities as such involved in our plan this time. असे राहून दे ठीक आहे. असे राहून दे. गाडी गेल्यावर आम्ही कॅब सांगू जाय. We have almost reached Goa checkpost. It should take us 5 more minutes. We were just trying new angles from the rig that Brian has. Unfortunately, Kokani canteen is full. 16 वचोला आता आणि आमचे 31 मिळाला म्हाका. तर ते काय थांबची कामां नाही आता. फाइनली वी हैड एक्चुअली गॉन टू कोंकणी कैंटीन बट देन उधर आधे घंटे का वेटिंग था. तो वी सर्च दिस प्लेस. इट इज एशियन पैन एशियन. वी थॉट विल हैव हियर बिकॉज मॉम लाइक्स पैन एशियन. मी cheers. So this is complimentary. हम आगे तो एक कुछ सेकंड. The Thai salad is very close to authentic. This is an LIT. Good enough. See, we had a teriyaki chicken. I guess this is soy sauce. Yes, it is naturally brewed. अशी डिप करून द्या. चट डिप करू नका. राव मम्मी. अरे खा घे. कैसा हो रहा? फोडणीची शीत द्या. 500 रुपयाचे फोडणीची शीत खावलं. मसाला भात. The lamb is actually very nice. It's crispy. There's no chewy part to it. It just melts in your mouth. I mean, on the crispier side, not where it is undercooked. There are two types of melting when it comes to meat. One is when it's undercooked and then you can bite through it, and then one where it is way overcooked and fried. This is actually fried. The flavor is very nice. It's medium spicy. The food was amazing. I mean, not wow, but then tasty enough. The bill was roughly around 1000 per head, so that included liquor, so it's a good price. So we're now still searching for our place to stay. I've inquired in the Blue Kite, so it's an Airbnb types. So let's see, we're waiting for them to reply. So when we were entering Goa, we saw a lot of barricades having a lot of advertisements and billboards of casinos. So this is what my brother said. Goa is the land of casinos. Land of casinos. Ooh. बड़े बड़े के So we checked in. I'll show you all the room. So we come out, Dauri area, and then this shopping supermarket hai. Something like this. Good morning, guys. So yesterday we were tired and we ordered in food, so I forgot to record. So today is Sunday. Mom dad went to church. They tried to wake me up, but then I was fast asleep. So वो cancel हो गया. Then अभी breakfast करना था मेरे को. Give me breakfast. So we have curry bhaji. Curry. Second day Kamachuta. Bhaji. We ordered food from Haochi Indian Asian Bistro yesterday. Amazing food. स्वीट बन से
बन सकते हैं, भरे सकते हैं। स्वीट बन नहीं है, प्लेन बन है। स्वीट बन को बाहर बताऊं तब तो बात सभी बुरी आता है।
आई ली वीडियो
रिकॉर्डिंग निकला है।
पास कर। So to give a quick, what do you call it, room tour. We are on the second floor. The pool is just behind this, and then it's B2. We have 2 bedrooms on top, and then the living area. There's a balcony. There's the kitchen. Everything is well set up. So this is 1 bedroom. This is the second bedroom. Both have washrooms attached. That's what it looks like. Yeah, both the rooms have balcony as well. Yep. Yeah. ये उल्टा था ना, ऐसे होता है. Yeah. But then, height. This. I really liked this. It's painting and it's a print. No, wow, what is it? ये watch बहुत टिक 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 कर रहा था रात को, so I've taken out his battery. So this is about it, the property. I'll show you from that balcony. You'll get an idea of what kind of a society it is. मैं जाऊँगा थोड़ी देर में बाहर to the swimming pool. तो दिखाता हूँ. It's like this. There.
Natural own. Natural
ये ब्रांड
French beer or मैं मसाला. So we are playing a game. We have 2 bowls full of water. So there are questions which mom will read out, and then dad will dip us into the bowls. We are
B?
ready.
कोण नाक वेगळी राग येता
लागेच राहिले.
आणि नेक्स्ट मस्ती कोण चढ करता ए डीप करा घराचे काम कोण करतात चढ आणि कोण सायलेंट हा एकदम शांत हा
घरात सायलेंट होते बाहेर
आणि कोण चढ मस्तीखोर हा
मस्ती
आणि कोण नित्ता चढ
नित्ता दोघ
आणि हा ये एसी से बाहर आए ना गोवा का यही प्रॉब्लम है टू मच ह्यूमिड वी गोइंग टू द पूल वी यूजुअली डू नॉट एंटर द पूल क्योंकि ऐसे मन नहीं होता आज थोड़ा फ्री थे देन ऐसे कुछ खास करने का है नहीं बारिश भी हो रही है हल्की That's our building. So this is how the property looks at night. We are on the 3rd floor, but then it's not actually floor. It's I say it's on an elevation. मतलब the so that is the ground floor. Udhar that is the road for first, second, and then this is the second. Udhar third. I don't know कितना visible है. But then good boy. सब बड़ी. So mom is watching Kapil Sharma show and dad is resting, so we thought we'll go out for a spin, and then there's burger factory close by, so we'll grab a burger and then come back, and then the family will go for dinner. So we're just taking 1 or maybe 2 if we are taking a parcel. There's a lot. Ooh. The ambience is nice, but it's rustic. So if the food is ready, they do this. Not food, bar. Thank you. So we've come to the famous Rosamlet spot.
लास्ट टाइम भी कितने मस्करी चल रही
हाँ।
ना
So that इसके वो जो रेड है गाड़ी है उसके पास है. So all the locals prefer to come here. It's called the Sandeep's. This is the second shop there. That's it. That. Chicken gizzard fry.
कितने हैं अम्मा
राजू बुद्ध.
मैं कौन पे सांगायचं
बनाना बटर मसाला.
आईस्क्रीम की है बिस्किट घेऊन ना गणे
लिवले तरी. खा के.
अरे घाल
for today's 2 days.
भूल गया भाई व्लॉग करना भूल गया गुड नाइट
Guys, that's it for today. If you guys stay till here, please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog.